Best Etsy digital products to sell. Hi guys, today I am telling you about different digital products that you can sell on Etsy and earn a good amount of money through them. So let's get started. Now we know Etsy is a marketplace where you will find all of these different products that are either your jewelry, accessories, clothing, shoes, and decor and different crafts and products that you can actually buy and sell. But there is another niche, another form of product that you can actually sell on Etsy, and that is digital products. There are many digital products that are now trending on Etsy, and you can actually sell them and earn a good amount of money. So when it comes to digital products, the good thing about digital product is that you will not have to pay for the shipment. You don't have to do any drop shipping. You can just, it's a digital product. So what happens is you sell it digitally. You actually sell different templates or different stuff that we will be actually talking about, and you actually sell them online and people buy them and you earn money. So what's gonna happen is, let me show you around the first product that we can sell on Etsy as a digital product and what is trending on Etsy as a digital product. So the first product is budget planners. Now budget planners are different planners and different templates that are created by different people, and you actually sell it and earn money through them. So what happens on budget planner, these are actually one of the most trending digital products out there, and you can see right here that this budget planner, this one is a digital planner and it is for 15 USD, and you can see this actually page has 200 plus views. And then we have this budget planner which is 6.59 and it is 40% off, and you can see right here that this one has 3,000 plus reviews. So this is how you can see these are all different digital products that people are actually selling. So budget planner is kind of like just your diary or online digital planner, a template that somebody has created where you can actually manage your budget. It's so simple, yet people are actually selling it and actually earning. You can see right here this one is for $21. So that's pretty good. So let me show you around this one. Let's open it up and check it out. So you can see right here that this is a product that I opened. It is a digital planner and it is a digital product. And what will happen is just this person is just going to sell this planner for $6.59. When you buy it, they will give you the access to the template. So it is so simple. For example, maybe this person created this template for herself or himself, and then they were like, okay, I have created this template, why not sell it? They are now selling it, and you can see that they have more than 3,000 reviews, and it's pretty good. You can see that these reviews are pretty good, and this is how you actually sell your digital product. So yeah, if you are looking to sell digital product, then go ahead and check out the budget planner. If you are good in creating spreadsheets or creating templates like this, then you should definitely go ahead and create a budget planner and sell it on Etsy. The next product we have on Etsy is the wedding card templates. Now this is another one of very famous digital product out there on Etsy. Again, it is a digital product. What is happening here is that people are actually selling these wedding card templates or wedding invitation templates. And what's happening is, because what happened last year and everything was online, right? The wedding invitations were also sent online. Even now, people are sending invitations online. So what happens is this person or this company will create a template for you, which will be an online template for your wedding invitation or your wedding card, and you can then customize it once you buy it. So what's gonna happen is these are also printable. So if you want to print them, you can do that as well, but simply these are the templates that people are selling, and these templates are digital. So you can go ahead and create your own wedding invitation right here. So this is one of the most popular niche because weddings are happening all the time and people are looking for creative designers to design their invitations. So when you don't have a designer, you don't have somebody to, plan a card for you, you can just, come to Etsy and you can actually buy a good template from Etsy. You can buy a good invitation template or a card. After that, you can send it online. So that's pretty amazing. If you want to, sell a product on Etsy, then again, if you are a good designer, you know how to create different templates, then you can go ahead and create a wedding card or wedding invitation template and sell it on Etsy, and it will be amazing and it will be actually very profitable for you. The next product I have is presets for Lightroom mobile. If you know editing, if you know Lightroom, then you know what I'm talking about. You can actually sell different presets for Lightroom mobile app, and you can see right here that there are many presets that have been created. And if you are a photographer, if you know editing, you do editing, then you know that people actually, buy these presets. You can see right here, this is the look of every preset. There are different names given to it, and if you like some of the preset, what you will have to do is, for example, if I'm liking this earthy tones preset, this one is for $3 and this one is $7, this one is $2, this one is $2 as well, this one is actually $12. So what happens is that these are different presets that editors and photographers use if they use Lightroom. Lightroom is actually one of the very famous editing app out there, and when you use it, you actually need different presets. So if you want to buy a preset, then you will simply come to Etsy and buy these presets that have been created by different people, and you can actually buy them for $2 or $9. If you are selling a preset, then I will suggest do a keyword research and create a catchy name for your preset, and then the amount should be reasonable and you will be able to sell your presets in no time, and people actually buy these a lot. I myself, buy presets for my editing. So it becomes super simple when you have a preset. If you know how to create different presets, of course, if you know editing, then it's a piece of cake for you. The presets that you have created, you can actually sell them online on Etsy. The next product we have is kind of very different product, and you might have not even heard about it ever, but it's so interesting, guys. Another product, a digital product that you can sell on Etsy, is a editable template. So yeah, guys, you can actually sell editable gender neutral baby reveal on social media. Now you might be like, what is this? So what happens is, guys, that this is a template that has been created by someone, and it is just a template to reveal your pregnancy. It's a gender reveal, or whatever. Is just this template that you will buy, and then you can actually edit it out and you will be good to go. And it is actually, the main purpose of this template is to post on social media. So what will happen is, you will buy this template and then you will edit it out, and then you can actually announce your baby reveal or your gender reveal on social media. And you can see this one is for $10, and there are 191 sales, and there is a 5-star rating for it. You can see all of these different views that people are actually buying this template, and they are edited out, and then there you go, you have your baby reveal on social media. So this is how digital products actually work, and this is how you can actually create this template. So simple. All you have to do is create an editable gender reveal template. If you're good in editing, then you can actually create other templates like this that people actually post on social media. So yeah, you can actually sell it for $10 or $20, and it's pretty impressive how you can sell these kind of products on Etsy as well. Okay, guys, so another product that I have for you to sell on Etsy is the educational template. So it's kind of similar to your budget planner. When it comes to selling products online, most of the time the biggest audience or the biggest buyers we have are the students, because students are always working. They need templates, they need different planners to kind of study and schedule their semester or whatever. So what happens here is, you can actually sell these student planners where you can actually insert all of these different templates, and it actually helps students a lot and they actually buy it a lot. So you can see right here, this one has 38 sales, 5-star, and for $7 you actually get personal plus educational inserts. So yeah, students are always looking for different templates to get organized, to create their schedule planners, to create their timetables, to create their syllabus, to plan their study. So whatever they will be doing, they will be looking for different templates to work on, and you can actually create these templates and sell them on Etsy. You can see all of these different, the study and homework tracker, assignment planner, grade tracker, student planner, homework tracker. So all of these different educational trackers, all of these educational planner also work amazing, and you can actually sell them for, this one is for $7. So that's pretty amazing niche if you want to sell your digital product. So yeah guys, these were different digital products that you can sell on Etsy and actually earn a good amount of money. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to sell your amazing digital products on Etsy. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.